Again here from Making Time for You Pilates in Myrie, Western Australia, and we are facing a different way in my studio today because I have quite a busy class coming up this morning, so I've got the mats all behind the camera there, and you can see it's our mission statement that's on the wall all the time because our aim here is to help people step into tomorrow better. That's first and foremost the most important part of class. So today will bring me up to date to the 30th. This is March Madness. We're going through the original OG Joseph Pilates repertoire, and today we have seal and crab. I have my notes here. Rocking and control balance. So let's get straight into it. And we have it's the Saturday of the Easter long weekend. So we have my bunny slippers. There's a little Easter egg in each of the magic circles around the room for the people attending today. Just a little something. Okay, seal. We are going to take our hands through our legs. Now, I have longer legs than my upper body, so I just grab around my ankles. If you are able to, you can go underneath your feet. And we grab. Okay, so we're doing we're rolling back, then clapping our feet at the head end, and then when we roll forward, we clap our feet in a hover at the front. So let's go. We go back, clap, clap, forward, clap, clap, back, clap, clap, forward, clap, clap, back, clap, clap, forward, clap, clap. One more, and clap, clap. That is seal. And crab, actually I realised I have not done this in my studio since I opened it. I completely forgot about this move. So guess what will be getting added from now on, because I actually really do enjoy this move. So we are going to cross our legs, and then we are going to roll back. We're going to cross our legs. We're going to come back, and our feet are coming right under us. We're going to grab our feet. We're going to roll over them, and we're going to put our head to the mat. And then we're going to come back. We're going to cross our feet. We're going to come over, tuck our feet right into our butt line, and over we come. I'm going to do that one more time. And over. I just love that move. That is awesome. Okay, rocking. This is one of my clients' favorite moves. I say that with a lot of jest. Okay. So, rocking. This is the progression of a lot of the laying moves. We'll just crack straight into it. So we're going to take our feet to the ceiling. We're going to grab both of our feet with our hands. We put our chin on the mat. We're going to lift. And I say, when I'm prompting this, we're like a fisherman's net that's pulling all the fish out of the water back up to the boat. And we're going to take our chest forward, forward, and 1, 2, 3. That is rocking. And then we have control balance. Control balance brings us up to number 30. And today is the 30th. I made it back. Okay. Control balance. You need to be able to take yourself up and into very similar to the rollover position for this one. So it's an advanced move. So we just take ourselves up and over. Hands are coming behind. You're going to grab one foot and take one leg up to the ceiling and down. And swap the ankle. Take the leg up and down. And swap. And down. Now you can even take our hands behind, up, up, and that's it. Rolling back. So that was seal and crab, rocker, and control balance. And I hope I'm correct. And I will double check that I haven't missed anything. I'm feeling a bit surprised that I have caught up. thank you for joining me again, or popping back in for the first time, and like and follow, all that good stuff. And again, happy Easter if you're celebrating it for your religious or just celebratory reasons.